All right, guys, so we got Randall's Jeep right here. It is somewhat stock suspension. Don't really know he bought it used. I think it's got some kind of front leveling kit. He doesn't know, but it's got like 31-inch tires. As you see, we got some squat going on because pretty much the rear leaf springs have kind of failed. See if we can look. They're pretty much flat, like almost U-shaped. Dang, Randy, he better get new tires. Y'all don't be hating on the boy. But yeah, he got a 3-inch lift from Rusty's Offroad, I believe. And so 3-inch doesn't seem like much on trucks and stuff, but apparently it's a pretty big deal on this one. So all new leaf springs, coils, pretty much a bunch of stuff. So definitely gonna be a whole new look. What year is this? 93 XJ manual, 4-liter. She has been up north at some point in her life, so she's a tidbit rusty. So we're about to go take the Mustang and go get about 10 gallons of liquid wrench to get this process started. But she's gonna be pretty sweet when it gets done. After he gets done with the lift and everything, then he's gonna get new tires once he figures out if he can run 33s or not. I know it's crazy, can't fit 33s. These look like 33s on this Jeep, but they're actually 31. So yeah, quick rundown, but we're gonna go do that and get started on the back and go from there. You know, I had to do some Jeep things with the Mustang. Dang, boy, tucking, got half the tire not even on the ground. Straight flexing, boy. This is Randall's 2004. Slide in Randall's DMs, the bearded XJ, and offer him some money for this, please, because he wants to sell it. He needs to sell it. Very fitting shirt you got there. Is your Jeep ready? It's about to be. Jack's not on there. This is just normal ride height. Measure both sides, but it's supposed to be a 3-inch lift. So we got 3 inches. This thing will tuck going down the interstate. Some big bumps, Randall in there. Leaf springs are pretty much shot though, so we're thinking more than 3-inch lift with new leaf springs. Dang, them things are sick. Do they build those?
Yeah.
Really? They look way, way bigger than these stock ones. Randall, you about to put like a 10-inch lift on this thing? Besides just about 3-inch too. Bruh, are you sure that's gonna fit under there? This
supposed to.
This is gonna be so much bigger than a 3-inch lift, I guarantee you. Randy, you about that squat life, bud.
What is it back here? 3 inches? What's it up there?
Over 5.
Oh, no.
You got baby. We both got baby squats.
I put the front on first.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, the front's already on there. It ain't changing.
Well, it's gonna be raking like a mother if that's the case.
Hashtag race Jeep.
And things done went flatline. It's gonna be huge.
It's the best one I knew.
right, guys, a couple days later, here we are. Anything to say, Randy? Pretty much everything on the Jeep was rusty and broke off and whatnot, so just took the whole rear end out. She's gonna get cleaned. Just went and got some chick fillet. Just Jeep things.
Still got another one to do.
Oh, we're filming this, Randy. How's everything going, bud?
You know, as well as it could go.
Oh, Lord have mercy, don't hug me. What did it be? What did it be? What did it be? Oh, no. Yeah. Randall, got so many rocks around here. Well, a little update. Back at the Jeep is done. Finally got all of everything out from under it. Now I got the leaf springs in it. Shocks. It's freaking big. Real big. Alright guys, so I know this kind of came to an abrupt halt, but the Jeep's been kind of more of a project than we thought it was going to be, so it's not been something we did in one day. It's been like working on the weekends and stuff, and Randy's been working on it when obviously I'm not there because it's his Jeep. So like I said, it's been a lot longer process than we thought. There's a lot done, more than what you see in this video, so I think the next video I'm just going to catch all up. I ended up having to do a lot more stuff, and yeah, just a lot bigger project, but it's coming out awesome. It's going to be sweet. He's doing it the right way, I think, and so the next video will definitely catch back up on everything that he's done so far, and it's getting pretty close to being done, so there's a lot going on. Hopefully people don't take this video so serious and get like mad because we weren't so in-depth or anything with it, but it's kind of just a for fun thing, and I know Randy's really excited about getting his Jeep up and going with a big nice lift, and it is going to be way bigger than what you would think a 3-inch is. It's big. So I guess with all that being said, I just kind of wanted to give a little recap on the end of this just to let y'all know there's definitely going to be a better video showing it once it's all done, and we'll go over everything he's done. So with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. I will see y'all in the next one.